It's Sunday, which means I don't have much time because I have a hot date with a criminally large stack of pancakes, but I've brought out my Sunday best and figured we could at least solve a fun little factorial problem. So consider this. n minus 1 factorial plus 1 equals n squared. Now's a fine time, perhaps even the best time, to pause the video and have a go at solving this yourself. Alright, there are a couple of ways we could solve this. We could do a more in-depth solution, which we will in a minute, but you could also just do a quick guess and check. Because if you know the factorial and you know n squared, you know that this grows way faster than this. That means if this equation has any solutions, they're going to have to occur for a pretty small n value. So I might try n equals 1. That gives me 1 plus 1 on the left, which is 2, and 1 on the right, so that doesn't work. If we try n equals 2, the left side is 2, the right side is 4. For n equals 3, this is 3, and this is 9. For n equals 4, this would certainly be odd, whereas this is even, so that doesn't work either. For n equals 5, cha-ching. It works. Indeed, when n is equal to 5, what we're looking at is 4 factorial plus 1, and does that equal 5 squared? Well, yes, because 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2, that's 24, so this is 24 plus 1, which does indeed equal 5 squared, which is 25. So at n equals 5, the left side has caught up to the right side, and I know that the factorial just grows way too fast, so there's no more solutions after that. However, if we want more algebra and less guess and check, we could do that as well. If we imagine subtracting 1 from both sides, the right side becomes promising, because it's a difference of squares. We would then have n minus 1 factorial equals n squared minus 1. You should certainly know how to factor a difference of squares like we have on the right. This factors into n plus 1 times n minus 1. Of course, n minus 1 factorial begins with a factor of n minus 1, so now's a great time to divide both sides by n minus 1. If we divide both sides by n minus 1, then we are left with n minus 2 factorial equals n plus 1. Having this n minus 2 and this n plus 1 is a little awkward. We could make this equation better if we substituted with a different variable. To that end, let's call n minus 2 m. So we'll say let m equal n minus 2. Then we can write the left side in the more compact form m factorial, and if m is n minus 2, then n plus 1, which is on the right, is actually m plus 3. Now we can basically just turn this into some really easy number theory. Just subtract m from both sides, so we have m factorial minus m equals 3, and then we can factor an m out of this difference. If we take m out of m factorial, what remains is m minus 1 factorial. And of course, if we take m out of m, what remains is minus 1. So m times this has to equal 3. Now, because we have a product of positive integers equal to 3, a prime number, there really aren't many options. In fact, there's only one. This has to be 1 times 3 or 3 times 1. M equals 1 clearly doesn't work, because then this would be 0 times 1, which is not 3. So then it must be that m equals 3, and if we plug that into this equation, we'll see it works. M equals 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 factorial is just 2, so times 2 minus 1, and of course 3 times 2 minus 1 is indeed equal to 3. More importantly though, going back up to m's defining equation, m equals n minus 2. So if m is 3, well that means that 3 equals n minus 2, and thus, of course, we add 2 to both sides and get the same solution as before, n equals 5. Yeah, factorials are always fun, so you've got your 200 IQ guess and check solution, and this one here. If you want more factorial stuff and you haven't already, check out my video on double factorials, link in the description, and be sure to subscribe for more of the swankiest math videos on the internet.
I'm unstable, villain art to keep the cable cut and unsart the cable. If Texas Instruments don't reply, well, I think this time it might be fatal. Wish to sell my own fake, cause I'm jaded.
Hate the odds and I calculated.
Press and pull and pray and push it all the way through the whole blue
Planet faded.
psychosomatic.